Hello, welcome to a new class. Today we continue working in our language books. Today we're gonna work in our grammar and writing book. This is your teacher, Mrs. Erika Acosta from Escuela Bilingüe Honduras. Please open your book to page 195. 194 first. Okay. Number 1. Read the number 1, please. The first one is but. Conjunctions. Conjunctions, remember, is to add information, to make a difference, or to choose. Okay? Number 2, the conjunction is and. The number 3, the conjunction is and. The number 4, if you read, you will find the conjunction or. And number 5, the conjunction is and. Okay? So we continue to page 195, letter B. In 194, it asks you to find the conjunction. In 195, you have to choose which conjunction. So, in the first one, we have 195. The first one is and the second one is or. We did this during our Zoom class. The number 3, read the sentence. And the correct answer is but. The number 4, the correct answer is or. And in the number 5, please read the sentence. And the correct word is the no, but. In the number 6, the answer is and. In the number 7, I don't know what answer did you write or did you circle around, but the answer is or. Number 8, the answer is or. In number 9, the answer is but. In the number 10, the answer is and. Why I don't put the paper here or the number or the page is because I want that you read the sentence with your own, okay? Or by your own. With your own voice, you read the sentence and you circle around, okay? So, next 5 sentences, I am gonna write them, and you don't need to write in your notebook, but you can just add what word goes. Remember that after we add that conjunction, you don't have to write capital letter, okay? So continue page 195, 11. The paint shows Boston and the collage shows New York. 12. The styles are different, but both pieces of art show the liveliness of cities. Number 13. The picture was painted in 2001, but it shows a scene from the 1800s. Number 14. See the collage in person or view it on the internet. And number 15. Some artists painted Boston and many more painted New York. Okay? Answer these pages and it will be easy if your teacher asks these 2 pages as homeworks. Okay? Thanks for your attention. Bye-bye. You are doing a great job.